how to create a TikTok ads account. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a TikTok ads account and get it set up so that you're ready to send advertisements on TikTok. Okay, so the first step is to actually go to TikTok business. Now, why TikTok business? Because the TikTok business website is pretty much like the Facebook business center, if you're familiar with it. Because in the TikTok business, you can manage your whole entire business operation in TikTok, including TikTok ads. You can actually set up multiple accounts under one business account so that you don't have to um, connect everything manually together. You can have a bird's eye view on all of your advertisement accounts in the TikTok for business website. Okay, so to start, let's click get started here. Now, pro tip, if you are having trouble in starting in TikTok business, if this button doesn't work, if the get started button doesn't work, you might want to disable your ad block and all of the security and privacy add-ons that you have. That works for me. So let's continue and click get started. Now, I already have my account set up, but if you haven't already, you are probably going to have this display over here real quick. Okay, so to do that, to sign up, click sign up now. And you just have to enter your email, password, and then you're gonna have to enter your billing information. You can skip that if you don't wanna. And there is also an email verification. Very simple stuff. I am sure you can do it by yourself. Alternatively, you can sign up with your TikTok account, which I did. As you can see here, you can sign up with your TikTok account just by scanning a QR code. And as you can see, I've already done that for my case over here. So I'm just going to um, move on. But yeah, the most convenient way is to log in with your TikTok account. I'm going to redo that. Now, in your case, I'll just have to click authorize here. But in your case, you might need to scan a QR code with your phone and authorize from your TikTok mobile app. Okay, now I also have already made a business center account. In your case, you might need to fill in the information for the business centers. Anyway, now to add an advertising account in your business dashboard over here, you can just click advertiser account and click add advertiser account. Or alternatively, you can go to ads.tiktok.com. But in this case, I am going to tell you the most efficient way, which is to click this add advertiser account. Now, I already have one set up for my Shopify, but I'll add another as an example. So you can either add your business information if it's new, you can request access. So yes, you can have access to multiple ads accounts even if it's not in your business center, like if it's not under your business center. And this is useful if you have a client and you want to show the client the progress of their advertising campaign on TikTok with you. You can add access for them um, by choosing this menu over here, or you can transfer from another business account. Okay, in our case, I'm gonna assume you haven't have any advertiser account already, so I'll click add business information. And now what we want to do here is just set up the account information. My business center name and time zone will be matching up with my business center account. Well, and you can see that you have to choose between I'm an agency and I'm an advertiser. Now, this, I believe this has something to do with the terms and conditions and the features, I believe, but I think they're pretty much the same. Okay, so my full legal name of the business may be, let's just say example, ad account. And the company website will be www.myexampleadacc.com, and the industry is, let's see, let's choose the industry that is most fitting for you. You can have e-commerce, offline retail, etc. I'm just going to stick with e-commerce. And let's see, let's say I'm selling home decor. Okay, the third step is to add billing information. So just go ahead and finish the application by filling in these details. I'm gonna get back to you once I filled in the details for me. All right. Now we have our new ad account. Now, if that doesn't work and you cannot see your ad account at first, don't worry. Just click Add Advertiser Account again and click Create New, and redo the same process as you can see here. Enter your account name that we just entered beforehand and the account time zone, and you'll be good to go. Okay, so once you have your new advertiser account, you can click to Ads Manager, and let's go ahead and take a look at how to set up your first ever TikTok ad. Okay, now this is the TikTok Ads Manager website dashboard, not to be confused with the Business Center dashboard. This TikTok Ads Manager dashboard is used for the advertising functionality of your ads account. As you can see here, my example ad account. Okay, so I want to explain to you a few things here. The menus over here will contain your dashboard, your campaigns, which is your individual ad campaigns. As you can see, we haven't had any. We will add more. We will add later on. Also, in the tools mega menu here, you can see the audience manager, comments, creative library, instant page, every tool that you may need as an advertiser. And the most important, I think, is the analytics. Now, on the analytics and custom reports, we can see the reports of our ads performance and the TikTok ads effort. But as you can see, it's empty because of obviously we haven't have any running ad campaigns currently. Okay, so another thing that you can do is you can share this ad account and add an admin. So the way this works is actually the business center can have multiple uh, ads account under it, right? Now in the business center you can add members. As you can see, I am the only member right now, but you can invite members, which is maybe your again your client or your hirer, your freelancer maybe, or just your coworker or your employee, but you can add them to your business center. And once you've added them to your business center, you can assign them your advertiser accounts. So for example, I have 5 employees and I have 5 ads manager account. Now what I can do is assign one for each employee so that they can take care of each advertising campaigns that I have right now. And to do that, as you can see here, you can click assign new member and just add the pop-up name that is in the left hand side menu over here. Now to do the same, this is basically doing the same, but you can copy the account name or ID over here, copy it, and you can add an advertiser, click add advertiser account and another TikTok Business Center account, so that this particular ads manager account can be accessed from 2 different TikTok Business Center accounts. Okay, now to the fun part, which is creating your first ever TikTok advertising campaign. This is this seems to be lagging. Wait, let's refresh it real quick and go back to our campaign. Okay. Now, I'm just going to be really quick because this is actually off topic, but I just want to show you how you can do it. First, you click create, And well, if you're familiar with the TikTok ads format, it's just like another TikTok video. You can set it up exactly like another TikTok video. You can either choose basic or advanced ads. If you know already exactly what you want from your advertisement, like maybe increase engagement, etc., and all the technicalities, I highly recommend the advanced option. But if you're just looking and you're just starting out, I recommend the basic option, and that is the one that we want to click. Now, TikTok will ask a few things like, what's your advertising goal? If do you want to increase traffic? Do you want to increase conversions? Do you want to sell products online, interact community interaction, or lead generation? This is on the basic create. But if you click the advanced create, you will have more menus, and things can get pretty technical from there. And I want to show you now. As you can see here, you can have the objective, the video views, and you basically have more flexibility and on the advanced one. Okay, anyway, now that is just one of the few steps in creating an advertisement account. I believe you can navigate this yourself, and I hope you have good luck on advertising in TikTok. Thank you.